So intro to this video is going to be a bit different. Normally I do the intro, but I don't know if you can tell, I might be talking a bit funny. I've had to go for a fill-in this morning, so my face at the moment is numb as anything. I feel like my face is this big, I feel like the Elephant Man. So I said to Connor, I left him camera yesterday, he's got a BMW in today. I says, you do intro for that tomorrow. So let's get to work and let's see how he got on.
Morning everyone. So today we've got 118 iron. It's in for a rear section. It's having a conversion to like an M140 style type conversion. So a diffuser from Cobra factory. If you don't know, we've got a code that you can use to get 15% off on them. So I think he's done that. So yeah, let's get to it.
Sorry guys, I couldn't help myself. He always winds me up for repeating myself on video, so there's his payback. I just counted 7 erms on that little video clip there. Let me know if I missed any. But yeah, we have got a discount code for Carbon Factory if you want a diffuser for your car. Not just BMWs, for any car, they're doing for all sorts of cars. If you want a diffuser what fits amazing, check out Carbon Factory. Use our discount code, you'll get a little bit off. We've not had one that fits rubbish yet. They always fit amazing.
Yeah, again, Carbon Factory, absolutely nailed it with fitment of their diffuser. Fits straight on, no messing about, every time. Want a good fitting diffuser, go to Carbon Factory, use discount code NAWFABS.
My mouth is still numb as out. I feel like the Elephant Man. Whatever they've given me, I think they give me a dose for like 3 people. But I'm just going to try and give you an update. So these tips, they're quite a big inlet, they're 70mm inlet, but we're only using 2-inch tube. So we've made some reducers, it's a 2-inch. Now what we need to do is these 90-degree bends, see, put a line on it there, look, I need to shorten that down there, then that reducer will be welded straight to the end of that bend, keeping everything as short as we can, because you don't get a lot of space on back of a 1 series. So shorten that now, weld that to that, we're going to make a split, and yeah. We've done this a million times before, you've probably seen them on other videos we've done. But follow along, we'll show you. So whenever you have to do this, you have to make a cut like that. You'll see me use spirit level. Spirit level made sure that I got it level in bandsaw. But one little check that you can always do afterwards. So, put your pieces together, get yourself a 90-degree set square. Just make sure you're still 90 degrees, because if you're not, it'll throw everything off after. Still bang 90 degrees. Connor's going to weld that now, and we're going to make the split. That's a split made. Just need to address this problem. That hole is not round. Pretty easy for us. We'll get it on a swage machine and round it off. God, my mouth. Still can't talk right. Look, this side of my face just don't work. Good stuff that what they give. Right, that's perfectly round now. This is just a piece of 57 scrap what I've got out of scrap bin, and that matches up absolutely. absolutely perfectly. So that's a 57mm or 2 1/4 inch inlet to a twin 2-inch outlet. Perfect. Let's start offering up to the car, shall we? Alright, finally starting to get some feeling back in my face. We're all mocked up, we're just waiting for Carl to finish on alignment ramp, so we can't use our TIG welder while alignment ramp's on. Don't ask me why, I have no idea. It's not even on the same plug, it's not even on a 13 amp plug, it's got its own blue plug, which is not even connected to the same, well, it's connected to the same power source, but it's not even on the same fuse. But whenever we use TIG welder, when alignment ramp's on, for whatever reason, it just don't like it. Turn the screen off, resets it, and you have to start all over again, which is a nightmare. So yeah, we're not gonna do that. But we're all ready. We're all tacked up. We literally just we've got to tack these bits. Everything's all in right position. Tack that, and that. Take it all off, weld it, put hangers on, and we're about done. But yeah. Time is it now? So I had a filling at 9 o'clock this morning. It's now 2 o'clock. And I can just about feel my face again. That is some good stuff. Proper good stuff. It's alright now, I can feel it now, but eating my dinner I felt like a dog trying to eat out of a bowl. I'm like, this side of my face don't work anymore. Feel it alright. Right, so that all finished up. So for those of you that want to know what a 118i petrol sounds like with a dual exit conversion, back box delete, stay tuned, we're about to find out. Right, here we go then. Let's see what it sounds like. Go for it, Connor. Pretty tasty to start with. I'm gonna let it warm up, let all choke go off, and then we'll get a couple of revs for you, see what it sounds like. I'm gonna take it out on road. We're gonna give you a review on it, see what it sounds like on road, does it drone, and just a general opinion of what it sounds like really. So if you're thinking of doing it yourself, and you don't want it to drone or all like that, well, keep watching till the end, and we'll tell you. So it ain't no M140i, but to be fair, for a small engine it does sound pretty good. It's got a little bit of a burble on overrun, on downrun, but it's not crazy loud, but it sounds alright. Let's take it for a little spin, see what it sounds like on road. Right, let's go and see what it sounds like then. Initial thoughts, it's going to be quiet. It doesn't sound very loud at all in car, but I might be wrong. When we get on open road, it sounds pretty quiet for the time being. Just like a little burble there, isn't there?
Yeah.
Like I said, it ain't no M140i. Don't expect it to sound like one.
It does sound quiet at the moment.
You know what though? It actually sounds alright though, doesn't it? It doesn't sound. It doesn't sound awful. It sounds decent. The one's in way. Oh. Right, we ain't breaking any land speed records. That's flat at floor. It's just a tiny little burble, isn't it? It's, I don't know how well you guys can hear it on camera, but for us, it is really just a tiny little burble. That's it. So we are going to try it at 70. I'm bashing in 6 now.
No.
Absolutely nothing. We have got back seats down as well. Absolutely nothing. So if you're thinking of doing this modification, rest assured, you now know it ain't going to drone like crazy, and it isn't crazy loud either. we're gonna let that customer make that decision. We're gonna give it him back like that. We're gonna let him make decision. If he wants to go resonator delete, he's now got the option to. Personally, I think it sounds alright. I think if you start taking resonators out, they're not that nicer a sounding engine. I don't think. I just think you're chasing something what's not there, if that makes sense. Either way, we'll pass it in back, let him see what he thinks to it. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to drop us a subscribe, drop us a like, comment on it. Yeah, follow us. We've got loads more content to come. Catch you in the next one.